The Filipino people deserve the government that they have. Is this the lowest that we could, reach? Piso para sa lamok. The Filipino really deserve the government that they have. Kasi unang-una sila yung bumoboto dyan. Sila yung nagluluklok sa mga taong hindi marunong mag-solve ng problema, hindi marunong mag-analyze ng problema, hindi marunong tumingin kung anong resources yung meron sila para ma-solve yung problema nila. Heck, hindi nga siguro nila alam kung ano yung feasibility studies. Matapang lang sila, magaling lang magngaw-ngaw, magaling lang mamuna. Pero when it comes to the real skills that they need to be an effective leader, which is problem solving, olats. Binoto lang kasi ngaw-ngaw, tangina, yun yung gusto ng Pilipino eh. Matapang, pero walang utak. 'Di ba? Imbis na magkaroon ng cleanliness drive para puksain yung source ng mismong lamok, hindi. Piso para sa isang lamok. Ano yun? Ano yun, parang uban nung bata ka? Sabihin ng nanay mo, lola mo, sige, piso kada uban. 'Di ba? Ano ba yan? Hindi ka ba nag-grow doon sa point na yon? Dinala mo pa sa pag-solve ng problema ng Pilipinas. Ay, gulay, bakit? Whew. Pero, well, moving forward, I think what we need to do is set an example to our countrymen as to how problems should be resolved. Ang problema na lang rin kasi is yung ibang Pilipino ay ayaw maturuan, ayaw mapagsabihan, and they always resort to, name calling, so on and so forth. Which, yung mga katulad nila, they create a bubble within themselves to make each other feel good. To make each other feel welcome kahit katangahan na yung pinagsasabi nila. And there's really a lot of it. And that's called partisanship, by the way. Partisanship sa social media, so on and so forth, sa kung anong belief nila. They just want to feel good. Well, siguro, isa sa objective ng channel na ito is to actually spread information, improve one's mind on how we can be better at problem solving, because problem solving is going to be very important in all aspects of our lives. Kasi hindi lang tayo puro sarap. Daraan tayo sa problema, and yung pag-solve natin ng problema, yung magiging sandata natin para alisan yung mahirap na sitwasyon sa buhay natin. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.